If you're shopping for a smart TV and don't have a lot to spend, there are a lot of options out there that offer pretty good quality, even at a budget price. Today's budget smart TVs can deliver a decent viewing experience, and many of them have some really useful built-in features that do away with the need to spend more for external components like streaming devices. Whether you're looking for a small TV for the bedroom or something larger for your living room, there's something out there for everyone. But so many look so similar. Which ones are actually built well and have the features that will match your needs? In this video, we break down the top 3 TVs under $500 on the market this year, based on performance and situations they'll be used in. So whether you're looking for a large 4K display with HDR that runs off the Roku platform, or an ultra-cheap 720p option that integrates Fire TV and Alexa, we'll have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which TV under $500 will be best for you, stay tuned. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. First, we have the TCL Class 4 Series 50-inch, our pick for best TV under $500 for the money. The TCL Class 4 Series 50-inch TV delivers all of your favorite programming and streaming content through Roku's simple, personalized home screen in stunning 4K UHD resolution, with HDR that offers fantastic clarity and detail, delivering exceptional value for the money. The 4K display offers full 3840 by 2160 resolution, but color accuracy can be a bit off in some situations, and the absence of local dimming makes HDR content less defined. Plus, HDR content also isn't supported for streaming or gaming, but these limitations have to be expected at this low price point. 4K gaming is supported, as well as streaming content with 10-bit color support at 24 Hz. What the TCL 4 Series lacks in HDR content, it makes up for in response time, which is crucial for fast-paced games. The Roku interface is excellent and very simple to use, even for first-timers, and the app selection offered in Roku's channel lineup is quite impressive with a lot of variation. On the right-hand side of the set, you'll find 3 HDMI ports, including one with ARC support so you can hook up a soundbar without running extra cables. A single USB 2.0 port is available for viewing digital media files or powering a streaming stick, and additional ports provide composite video input, optical digital output for surround sound, and a 3.5mm jack for headphones or stereo patch cable, while Wi-Fi is built in for wireless connection. The 50-inch TCL 4 Series offers good value for the money and will provide a good scope of entertainment that includes watching broadcast TV, movies, streaming content, and even gaming. There are a couple of minor limitations due to the low price point, but overall, the TCL 4 Series would definitely be a good choice for you if you don't want to spend a lot on a smart TV. Next up, we have the Insignia Fire TV Edition 32-inch, our pick for best ultra-cheap TV under $200. The 32-inch Insignia Fire TV Edition is a new generation of television that features the Fire TV experience built in and includes a voice remote powered by Amazon's Alexa that goes beyond the normal functionality of a TV remote and lets you easily launch apps, search for shows or movies, play music, switch inputs, control smart home devices, and more using just your voice. This ultra-cheap TV delivers 720p resolution, fairly accurate color reproduction, and contrast that make it an appealing pick in the budget HD TV line. Around the back, there are 3 HDMI inputs, a USB port, and an optical audio output and more along the left edge. The included Fire TV remote is a slim black plastic wand with a glossy black circular navigation pad. Above the pad, there are 3 menu buttons, and another 3 playback buttons sit below the pad, with the power and microphone buttons sitting on the top of the remote near a pinhole mic. Additional controls include a volume rocker, a live TV button, and dedicated buttons for Amazon Prime Video, HBO, Netflix, and PlayStation Vue. Fire TV lets you access most streaming services, including Amazon Video and Music, Hulu, Netflix, Sling TV, Spotify, and Twitch, and includes access to the Alexa voice assistant, which you can easily invoke by pressing the microphone button on the remote. Use it to find new content. For example, just press the mic button and ask Alexa to find comedies to watch. The system will search and show you results from a universal catalog of hundreds of integrated apps and channels. You can even control any connected smart devices in your home and request information as you would the regular Alexa smart speaker. The Insignia Fire TV Edition 32-inch TV delivers a good 720p viewing experience that's enhanced by the power and flexibility of Fire TV and the convenience of Alexa built right in. If you're looking for a smart TV with an ultra-cheap price tag, this set will be hard to beat. Finally, we have the TCL 5 Series 50-inch, our pick for best overall TV under $500. The TCL 5 Series is one of the cheapest QLED TVs on the market and costs a lot less than other entry-level QLED sets available. Despite the lower cost, the 5 Series still boasts the wide color gamut, a great interface, voice commands, and an overall premium look. The 5 Series is a great example of higher-end technology trickling down from more expensive models. This TV supports 4K video and can display high dynamic range content in both HDR10 and Dolby Vision. The screen is framed by a thin matte black bezel, just 0.2 inches at the top and sides and around 0.6 inches along the bottom, and all of the inputs and outputs reside on the right rear side. There are 3 HDMI ports, including one with ARC support, a USB port, a composite video input, 3.5mm audio outputs, and more. As an interface, the 5 Series uses the Roku TV platform. Roku is one of the most powerful, flexible, and easy-to-use systems for streaming media, firing up apps and services including Amazon Prime Video, Google Play Movies and TV, Hulu, Netflix, Sling TV, Vudu, and more, so there's a lot of choice available at your fingertips. The Roku TV Enhanced Remote uses both IR and a wireless connection, and features dedicated service buttons for DirecTV Now, Hulu, Netflix, and more. A built-in microphone near the top of the remote body provides access to Roku's voice search feature that lets you find movies, TV shows, and music, and can even open and control some apps using just your voice, and is compatible with third-party voice assistant devices like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. If you're on a budget but have your heart set on a QLED TV, the 50-inch TCL 5 Series is for you. It's the most affordable QLED set on the market, and will give you good picture quality with the contrast, color, and detail of Dolby Vision HDR, the comprehensive Roku TV platform, and the added convenience of voice commands. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.